Is there specific regulation that you all are tracking closely for your VC clients that our audience should also be tracking?
Ooh, so there's one again that gets me excited. It relates somehow to tax, surprisingly, but the tax treatment of carried interest as capital gain versus ordinary income has been in discussions for many, many years now. And there's always a lot of pressure on whether or not carried interest will continue to be taxed as capital gain. That is a major, major issue and a
Yeah.
huge incentive for funds to be structured the way they are. The rules have changed a number of years ago, and there are new requirements, well, that are slightly getting older, but they're a few years in the play now, which means that folks needs to hold their interest for a number of years before they can benefit from long-term capital gains treatment. I would say keep tracking those developments because there are lobbies out there trying to get that eliminated. We like that, obviously. We think it's a good incentive for funds and funds activities. So that's one. And the second one is, as we mentioned, qualified small business stock, which is a huge benefit from a federal tax standpoint, as well as some states which conform with federal, and you can get essentially tax-free distributions on earnings from small businesses. And most of the startups that we deal with, at least at the beginning of their lives, qualify, right? So one is understanding QSBS is absolutely crucial. And if you don't know what that means or exactly how that plays, you should go and read some of the materials. There's plenty of stuff out there. Read through it. So QSBS is one of them. Not all companies qualify as QSBS, and that's another thing to understand. So depending on the type of investments, I would urge GPs to try to steer their investments towards businesses that do qualify, just because that tax advantage is meaningful. But if they don't, that's okay, as long as you know it, as long as you understand that you're getting into an investment that will not qualify in the future.